Welcome to this two-part video on how to use the Easy On modified vest. The first video will show you how to properly secure your child in the vest. The second video will walk through the process of securing your child in the car. You'll find a link to that video at the end of this one. It's worth mentioning that in some cases, children can travel in commercially available car seats while casted, as long as the manufacturer approves and the child's height and casted weight do not exceed the limits of the seat. Before we go over the use of the vest, there are a few things to consider before using this product. Your child needs to be at least 1 year old. The weight limits of this vest are between 22 and 106 pounds. You will need a bench seat in your vehicle with 2 available seat belts in order to properly secure your child. If you transport multiple people and see this as being a concern, please consult your medical provider immediately. Your child will need to lie comfortably on the bench seat without touching either wall or door. If you're concerned about the fit of your child in your car, consult your medical provider. Before using the product, you must read all instructions provided by the manufacturer. This video is for informational use only. As with any car seat, it is not recommended to put your child in a heavy coat or snowsuit prior to putting on the vest. Secure the vest on your child first, then put their coat on backwards or cover them with blankets in the car. First, let's cover the features of the vest. The Easy On vest has a parachute logo on one of the straps to help you identify the proper way to put the vest on. This logo should go over your child's left chest. There will be 2 buckles in the front and 2 upper leg straps that help hold the vest down in place. Now let's show you how to put it on. It's often easier to put the vest on before going out to the vehicle. There are a few ways to do this. You can lay out the vest on a flat surface, put the parachute facing down because it will come around your child's arms and be in the right position when secured. You could also put it on your child like a shirt. Lastly, if you can't lift your child, you could roll her one way, slide the vest under her, then roll her the other way and flatten out the straps, making sure there are no twists. Buckle the front closures and adjust for tightness. You won't want the straps to be completely tight against your child. The extra slack in the belt will be necessary to secure the vest in the car. Next, adjust the shoulder straps. Thread the straps through the top, then the bottom of the buckle. Tighten the straps so that you cannot pinch the belt at your child's shoulders. Then take the tail of the strap and route it back through the top of the plastic adjuster. This will lock the belt in place. There may be quite a bit of tail left. Please do not cut or tie the excess belt. If your child's cast is getting in the way of getting the vest tight enough, you can fill the void behind the shoulder blades with towels. However, if you do this, you must have a pillow under the child's head anytime he or she is lying down. Lastly, route the upper leg straps under the child, buckle them, and tighten them for a snug fit. Lock the belt in the same way that you did the shoulder belts by looping the tail back through the top of the plastic loop. You'll see there's a loose belt with your vest. This is the leg strap and will be used to secure your child in your car. We'll show you how to use it in the installation video. Your child is ready to travel. Okay, to review, let's watch again. Place the vest on a surface with the parachute logo down. Place the straps over the chest and hips. Leave some slack in the belts. Tighten the shoulder straps and secure the belts by looping them back through the closure. Buckle and tighten the upper leg straps, making sure to lock off the belts in the same way. And make sure you take the leg strap out to the car with you. Thanks for watching. Click on the link at the end of this video if you'd like to walk through steps on securing your child lying down in the car.